What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Finally, the long wait is over. The lift on my 2020 Tacoma TRD Off-Road is finally done. Huge shout out to Go Big Truck Performance over in Ventura. They did an awesome job. It looks amazing. Did my cab mount chop, did the alignment, and everything turned out perfect. I cannot wait to show you guys because it looks so good right now. I am in awe at how much better my truck looks. From the wheels, the tires, and now the lift. I cannot thank Go Big Truck Performance enough. They're in Ventura. If you live in the area, definitely go to them. They are awesome. Gave me a great deal, very friendly. I cannot thank them enough. So down in the description, I have a video where I got my new Stealth Custom Series wheels and then my Geolanders put on. I didn't get time to, or I wasn't able to film the lift because the truck wasn't done yet. So that's down in the description if you want to check that out. But now we'll go over the details on my suspension. So first off, if you didn't know, Icon Vehicle Dynamics has several stages for their suspension. They have stage 1, which is your more basic, up to stage 10, which is your more extreme, has the heck was that? Has everything you would need. So what I ended up going with here is a stage 6. That was primarily because the other brand that I was going to get didn't offer everything that I got in this stage 6 suspension kit, and it was for the same price. So I hit up Go Big Truck Performance. They gave me a great deal. I just could not pass it up, so went with that. Ended up getting upper control arm, which comes with the stage 6. It's a delta joint. It's got the CDCV, so I can adjust my ride quality if I want it more stiff, more soft, and that valve is going to be pointed downward. And so it's a 0 inches up to 2 3/4. I would say it's probably about in the middle, so I'm probably almost 2 inches right now, which I might have that adjusted a little bit higher later on. And it's completely bolt on, so later down the road, if I want to change this out, there was no welding done, nothing like that. It's vehicle specific, so it's unscrew some things and bam, we'll take it out. Should be pretty easy. And then it also has a whole new leaf kit, 1.5 inch add a leaf in the back, and same thing for the rear. It's 2.5 in the rear, and then also has a compression dampening control over here, which is facing inward towards the truck. If I want to adjust the ride height, just right there goes an Allen wrench, and then either clockwise or counterclockwise to increase height or to lower it. And that's mainly to reduce any rubbing, or if you want bigger tires, then you can also do that. I do have slight rubbing. I don't know if it's so much on the passenger side, and it looks like maybe a little bit right there. And on the driver's side has more rubbing, which I don't necessarily understand, but there are some more spots like through here. There's rubbing if I go like on a curb, or up a curb, I guess, or up a driveway, I guess you can say. No more rubbing on the cab mount chop. That's awesome. So I might have them increase the ride height just a tad bit, maybe make it up to 2 inches fully, or if it's at 2 inches, and 2.5. So as I mentioned, I brought my truck in at about 8 a.m. and then it got done, I would say more around 8:30 or so, and it was on a Friday. Once the lift was done, I mean, I was in complete awe. I loved it so much. I didn't ask any questions, and I didn't want to keep them over since, you know, I'm sure they all wanted to get out of there. However, when I go back for the retorque, then I'm going to ask more questions, just try to get a full understanding of the suspension. I have a good idea of it all. But So that's why I don't know what height it's set at right now, which I'm gonna get it increased a little bit to get rid of the rubbing. And then that's basically gonna be it. Over time, I can increase up to a stage 7, stage 8, all the way up to the stage 10. But as of right now, I have no rush to get any of that done. What it has on it, it's completely enough for me right now. I really like how the Icon suspension is black and then the lettering is yellow and white. Really makes it pop. I think it looks real good. However, that should not influence you on what brand of suspension you want. The good thing about building your own truck is it's like an experiment. At least for me it is. So my first set of tires, I decided to go with all mud terrain. Wait, mud terrain. I don't know if you say all mud terrain, but mud terrain tires. And then Stealth Custom Series wheels, Icon suspension. And then, you know, later down the road, you're gonna need new items, new products. So for me, I might end up wanting to switch it out and go with Kings or Fox down the road. I don't know. Or maybe I want to go with KO2s later on. This first round of everything getting done on the truck is purely an experiment and seeing how much I like it. I might love it and stick with suspension for the whole life of this truck. I might stick with the Geolanders for the whole life of the truck. I don't know, but that's the fun part of building your own truck and getting a feel of what you like and what you don't like. I know I didn't get into extreme detail on all the components of the suspension, but I'll put Icon's webpage down below, or you can just go on their website and look at everything from stage 1 up to stage 10 and all the little details, like even what oil they use and why they use a certain oil for their suspension, all that good stuff. If you guys don't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram, TacoManD4x4. I'm very active on there, comment back to everybody, message everybody. And I upload pictures of my truck on there first before I upload them on YouTube. So if you follow me, you've already seen that I've got the lift and all that good stuff done. Also, check out this shirt. Let's see if you guys can see it. Taco Man D established 2020. My sister-in-law made this for me. Also a logo on the back of it. Thinking of making a few shirts of a logo that I have designed on my own. So stay tuned for that, because I might be selling a few of those or doing a giveaway. There it is, 7,000 miles later, we finally got the lift, the wheels, and the tires done. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much for the positive comments, the feedback, and the support. And if you're not a subscriber, then I hope you enjoyed this video enough that you now are, and you'll follow along for all the future modifications. I know the video was quick. I don't want to bore you guys, so I try to make them rather quick, unless I'm going on a trip. Then they tend to be a little bit longer. But as always, we'll see you on the next one, and take care.